Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Unbox with Aris. Today video we have our discuss about the one questions that is find our numbers in an array. So our given array is let's suppose if we have an array, the name of the array is my array, and the value we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And I want to find the particular number. Let's suppose if I want to find a 6. For that, what we need, first we need a one method, which is search our value. Okay. In that method, we have to write a two inputs variable. The first one is to get our method get the array. For that, we need a int of array. Okay. And the second variable which we need, that is a int value to be searched. So, and the logic behind this, when we creating the method inside of method, we have to use of the for loop. Okay, for loop is iterating of one single time until the conditions becomes false. So that loops inside of loop, we need one method, one logic. Okay, so what logic is, if ARR is equal to value to be searched. When the I is 1, they were just doing the one thing, I is equal to 1 and the 1 is equal to value to be searched. If it's equal to, it will return the values. If not, let's go back to the another one is 2. When the I becomes 2, then again it check the 2 is equal to value to be searched. So it will return the values. If not, then again the I becomes 3 and check if the 3 is equal to value to be searched. If it's yes, it return the values. If not, it's also be going to the another one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will be continuously checking the values until our condition becomes false. If we get the values, it will returning and break our chain. Our loop will be breaked. So that is the logic behind this method. So let's go to the our Eclipse and let's get our hands dirty. First thing which we need to create is our array element which stores the some values. Okay, so let's create the element int my array, and the symbol of array is this, and equal to, let's give some values, random values. And so here we create the our element, that is my array. Type of element is int type, and then to searching the our element we need a method. Okay, let's create the method which perform to search the element. Public int. The type of method is int type. The return type is integer type. And the name of the method is find number. And that method need two parameters. First represent the our array, means whatever the values we will get from the my array, it will get stored inside of this parameter. Int of array, comma, need one more parameters, that will be a there, and then int value search readable create the method. Okay, so here as you can see here, the first one is our method have accepting the two parameters. First one is int AR of array, and the second one is int value to search. So what we're doing here, we just are searching the our element. So for that, we need a for loop to check until from 0 index to last 13. So 13 becomes of 12 index because the index is starting from the 0. So let's for or control space. As you can see, when you for and control plus space, you will get the direct of creating the for loop. So as you can see here, for use index on array. Click here and enter. See, you will get the direct of your conditions. But if you get the confused, then don't worry about. I will write it. For int I is equal to 0, starting from the 0, and the condition is I becomes until the array dot length arr dot length becomes false. Okay, I plus plus, and then get the log of the for loop, and our logic should be inside the for loop to check. See, so the logic is the main part of the method. So let me give you the one example. Let's suppose if you are in a classroom and there are hundreds of students and everyone have the roll numbers that is unique. Let's suppose some people don't attend the class or they don't have a 70% of attendance. So what your teacher do, if you have if they have a registers, check in the registers one by one. Okay, and if they have computers, so what they need to do, they just go to the application and directly type your numbers and check that is available in the database or not. After checking that available in the database, they can check what is the how many attendance you have done. So in the same way we are doing here to checking that roll number is present in our database or not. So let's the logic is if ARR of I should less than not less than is equal to value search, because the searching value should be equal to AR of I. So it's searching one by one. AR of I is equal to 1 is equal to value to be searched. If it's equal to, it will return the values. Say, okay, so get the block of the if block, and then what you need to do, sys out SYSQUT and control space to get the system.out.println, the shortcut of Eclipse. And concatenate means first you have to write some string, so it looks good. Index of okay, and plus I represent the address, means index values. Okay, so which index is present your roll numbers. If you remember, when you are a child, then the roll number is a main thing. Means if your roll number is 1, so you will be like a topper in a class or monitor. The same way is here. Okay, and equal to, then again plus ARR of I. So I is here, ARR of I is representing values here. Okay, and then what we need to do, just return the value. So return of I. Okay. What if the value is not present? Then come outside the for loop. Okay. This is a for loop block. As you can see here, this is a for loop block. Come outside and write one statement. This out. So first is a what variable you want to search it. So value to search plus you have to write present in your database or not. So value to be searched is not found, not present, whatever you want. Okay, and then you have to return the 0. After this, see our method is done now. Okay, this is the method. Okay, this is done. So after this, what we need to do, we have to call our method. So if you want to call your method, see you have to make this my array as static to class level execution and create the main method where your program is start to execute is a main method. So first we need a object. Okay, so let's create the object of your class name. Find array element control space array element is the name of the object is equal to new, creating the object and find array. Find array element and end with semicolon. After this, what you need to do, just array element dot to call your method. So our method is find numbers. Type it find. As you can see here, they have our compiler is suggesting the find numbers is present in the class. Just click here and enter. So as you can see here, the first is value we will get from the my array, and the second one is you have to type what you want to search in your elements inside of your element. So let's suppose I want to search 25. Okay, and run this program. See, we will get the at the index of 8 you will find the 25. Yeah, it will present in our database. Okay, let's suppose if you don't have numbers in your database, let's take 100 and search it. See, 100 is not found. You can see our database, the 100 is not found. So every single iterate it will check your database, it is present or not, until your conditions becomes false. This is the our conditions of our method or our database. So until that condition you have to find. If it's not present, you just return not found. If you want to take a value from the scanners, you can do that as well. Okay, scanner is imported. C can imported java.qt.scanner. If you not imported, you will get the error. Okay, scanner s is equal to new scanner and the system dot in. This is the our scanner imported. After that, we need to create a one variables in numbers which you want to search. Okay, is equal to s dot next int, and just instead of 100 you will write the numbers here. So what will be happen now is let's suppose you will get the output from the dynamic in runtime. You can type your output like your website when you're typing the something. Okay, So it will give you the result. So run it. Okay, it's run it. Now here you can see the cursor is moving here. Just type let's suppose 13. Okay, see you can get 13 here. Okay, and enter. Yeah, at index of 10 the find 13. Okay, you will get the value from that way output. So that's all about in this video. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas. If you like this kind of videos, just comment it. I will make more videos like this. Thank you for watching.